God was working wonders. So people, all those who are from Africa, those who are there in Germany, I was preaching to them online once, maybe 2 days in a month, once in a month. So I was with then Apostle Mageta. So God was doing wonders. So this ministry is all about preaching. It's all about prophecy. It's all about healing. Yes.
Okay, so my brother,
see them, they didn't have shoes, and girls and boys. So when we realized that, we said, no, how can we speak love? How can we say we're men of God while there are people inside who are not good? So we even took it from Proverbs. So, and then when we said that, because they were challenged, and from that day, they started contributing. I remember when they heard at home that I was dating Xhosa, they sent my late aunt, Mawan Lesina, then there, because we're with the Mkeba family are the one who took my aunt. So I even grew up at the Mkeba family. So then this family here, they sent my aunt there to break the relationship. Today I'm so surprised. I don't know how much they are giving their children. That's why even today that family is so blessed in the right man.
So I heard you saying you can trade.
Yes. Yeah.
Forex.
Yeah, Forex.
Which currency are you good at?
No, I was using. Actually, I was on a Luna, and then you know what I did? I look at the peak time.
Oh, okay.
It's like maybe if I know that right now, maybe peak time is this time, I can leave that thing running right now. I must make sure maybe I go to a mall for 2 hours, and then when I come back,